HDPE plastic pipe. High-speed PPP, PPC, HDPE plastic pipe crusher machine. High-speed plastic pipe granulator crushers, suitable for crushing various soft and hard plastics, taking the pipe. All types are typed in an offcut of plastic to granulate into granules. In the plastic and rubber industry, it plays an important role that can process and recycle the defective products. Waste products in offcut up plastic quickly and promote the plastic availability. The plastic pipe granulator of the PNPC series is available in rotor, width of up to 1400毫米 and diameter ranging from 560 to 700毫米. The completely welded heavy steel cutting chamber is angled and fitted with an extended hopper to allow easy feeding of parts. The standard V-cut creates a high-quality liquid with a very low percentage of fines in the output material. Other standard features include a hydraulic open hopper for outboard bearings, reducing the risk of contamination.